Hello, hello. So those of you who know me well know that I love to plan. But a couple things I'm planning, like don't use planning as procrastination, and stop stressing about which planner is the right planner for you, for your business, for your life, for your whatever. Like the very best planner you can ever use for your life is the one that you're going to use and the one that works for you. I've spent a ton of money. Where's my eyes? There we go. I have spent a ton of money buying planners that other people said were super fabulous and they were going to make such a big difference in my business, and they just didn't. So I just got my new box. I got it this morning. This is the Erin Condren box. Those of you who have never seen an Erin Condren planner box, be prepared to be excited. I love the boxes because they're pretty, but I also love the way that she packages them. So I did slice this open a little bit to try to make it so I could open it. Not strong enough. Erin's boxes are always wrapped pretty, super pretty. And of course my kid's gonna lose his mind. There's two boxes this time because I have the fall surprise box. So we're gonna open that one too. We're gonna open that one last. Hey Jack, eat your chickens so you can have a treat. So you always get like a gift sticker in the box, and you always get a postcard in the box. It's always packaged super pretty. And this year I went with a bigger planner than I've ever gotten before. It's Be Strong and Courageous. This one is the monthly deluxe. So it has like a dry erase board in the front. It has all of your months. I'm not going through this whole entire planner. But it has your like next year layout, and then like goals, or you could do goals here, or you could do like everybody's birthdays or your month themes. And then, hey, sit down right now or you no treats. And then this, it's nice and big, and that's why I went with this one. So it's a nice, big, huge planner. And then inside of it, each month, are a ton of note pages. And then the whole back is full of note pages, stickers if you like to sticker what you're doing, and a folder. So I like to use the folder for bills that are due, personally, or papers that I just need to have on hand. I do like to plan pretty. Hi, Sarah. So I grabbed this is the sticky note snap-in. So this snaps right into my planner. And then I save money when I plan my meals. So I have a meal planner dashboard to snap in. And then my top priorities and a habit tracker that snaps in. And my favorite part of adulting is big bills. Hey, Jackie. So I have a bill tracker too, and it helps me keep on track with what I have paid and what I haven't paid since I moved. I am going to do a planner move-in into my large one, and that'll be a longer video so you guys can kind of see how I utilize my planner. And it might help you, it might not. If it doesn't help you, you don't have to watch. But if it does help you, you're welcome to watch. So now, spoiler alert, if you want to be surprised, and you plan on ordering the surprise box for fall, just get off the live now or the replay, because I'm going to spoil it all for you. This is $60 worth of stuff, they say, and it's $35. They have one for every season. So it's boxed the same way. Start each day with a grateful heart. You can reuse these boxes, like gift boxes. Not so much the one they pack it in, but this one, and it's reversible. You can pop it apart. It comes with this cute little card that tells you what's in it. And some of these are exclusive, which means you can only get them in the box. And some you can buy at the store in Houston, but none of them will be on the website. So, a mechanical pencil, and that is a sneak peek, so this will be available to purchase. And then some puffy stickers for fall. These are kind of fun if you like stickers. The plum planner's cool, Gretchen. It's a lot like the Erin Condren. The paper's just not quite the same, but who knows? The planner's a planner as long as you're using it. Now, these are also exclusive. Only in the box. Yes, come up here. This is the washi tape. and it's not scalloped, it's actually whole tape. This is a sneak peek, and this is thicker than the paper tape that you can get. It's not like a masking tape. It's like a true washi tape. It's a little bit thicker. I use washi tape when I'm rolling over. So, Jack, come sit with me if you want. Okay? Come here and I'll fix it for you. I'd be happy to help. I like to use washi tape when I roll over. So what I mean by that is he is supposed to be sleeping. He faked it. Let me have it. Yeah. Oops. Okay, so what I like to use that washi tape for is, okay, go sit down with it. When I have something that runs over multiple days, I can write, you know, trip to Cabo, and then just use the washi tape across so that lets me know how many days. So I don't have to write Cabo, 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 Cabo 37 times in my planner if I'm gonna be there for 37 days. Wouldn't that be nice? So that's what I personally use that for. And then this sticker sheet here is like just fall colors. This is also an exclusive, only in the box. And then we're gonna open this all the way up. I was looking at this and I didn't order it. One, I'm glad I didn't because I got one already. This is a metallic asterisk clutch. That's what it says. So it's like a burgundy color for fall. And then the inside's like a fun peacock color. So you can keep like your pens in here, your stickers, whatever. It's like a pencil pouch. So that's fun. And then always, or not always, but there's 2 cards in here. So these are seasonal cards. They're blank inside. And they say, with a grateful heart, and then the peacock print. So you can go ahead and send somebody a cute little pick-me-up. And then this is like a sticky note, but the whole thing sticks down. So it's not like a Post-it note where you just stick it on and it's flying everywhere. You can actually stick the whole thing down. That is also an exclusive, the scallop sticky note pad. And then the last thing in there is a fall planner cover. And it's the same on both sides, and it's gonna look just like my big one, but I'm gonna show you guys. You know how you like look at your stuff and you love it, and then all of a sudden you don't love it anymore? If you have an Erin Condren planner and you decide you don't love this anymore, you pop that right off, you pop your new cover on, and you have a whole new look. I personally stick with its heavy hard lamination. It lasts all year and then some, even as much as I know, Amanda, I have a link that I will share with you guys. You can get $10 off of your planner. Amanda, I know what you're gonna track in yours. And then the last thing I'm gonna share before I do sign off about my planner life is what I like to do with this section, okay? So you can get these, they're called transparent dots. And you can still see through the date. They fit over the day. And you can have like one color for no school, one color for a half a day of school. If you have kids that jump from household to household, you can use those stickers to mark which day said kid goes here or there. Sports practices, games, you can stick those on there and with a quick glance see who needs to be where this day before you plan your day. So I think this is really neat. I like the surprise because it's like a little gift. So if you're interested in any of Erin's products, I do have a link that you can get either $10 or 10% off your first order. And I can share that with you guys. So thank you. I couldn't wait. I was going to do this after the baby went to bed, but I wanted to start planning. So here we are. I'm excited. I got all my stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Have an awesome rest of your Saturday. Bye.